My name is Vasilis Antoniadis. I am a professor in soil science in the Department of Agriculture in the University of Thessaly, UTH. And in this project, I lead WP4. This is actually a very ambitious project because it brings together many areas of interest and many spheres of science and the humanities, as a matter of fact, because it requires handling of big data from databases. It requires expertise in remote sensing, modelers, climate modelers, and it also requires piloting with actual experimentation on the ground. So it needs basically all spheres of interest that have to do with land observations, to soil science, to anything that relates to ecosystem services. So by itself, this is a big challenge. What excites me most is that this project is going to bring under one roof all these activities in a coordinated way, so that it brings a meaningful impact for the years to come in Europe. The impact is going to have, I hope, is going to be great because the outputs of this program are going to be used in industries and in soil-led users like the farmers or the land managers greatly, because what it observes, what it studies, is how the land use of particular ecosystems affect climate and how climate change affects land use changes. So this is something that we have not fully grasped, and hopefully we are going to understand it after the termination in 4 years' time, that is, of this project. So I would expect that this is going to bring a lot of information, scientific information, and also down-to-earth information for the actual end users of the soil, so that they make the best, they have the best outcome in their efforts with in regard to the climate change that we are experiencing. So we are the ones who are going to give data to the modelers, to the remote sensing experts, in order to handle them and run their models. So the challenge we are facing is to be able to produce what we promised in our pilots. The 6 pilots within the WP4 are scattered in Europe, and they have different problems to face, and also different ecosystems they are, like from farmers to foresters to wetlands. So there is a big challenge in unifying all these activities and to produce meaningful data in order to give them over to the modelers to handle this and produce the models that are going to be the final output of this project.